In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Keep for OCR, a neat feature that allows you to extract text from images using this versatile app. Although Google Keep isn't primarily designed as an OCR tool, its capabilities in this area can be incredibly useful for capturing and managing information digitally. So let's dive in and explore how you can make the most of this feature in just a few easy steps. First, let's navigate to Google Apps, which you'll find typically in the upper right corner of your Google homepage, represented by a grid of small squares. Click on this icon, which will open up a menu of various Google services. Among these options, you'll need to locate Google Keep. It's a sleek, colourful light bulb icon that's hard to miss once you get used to its design. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on the Google Keep icon. This will open the application, offering you a range of tools to take notes, set reminders, and stay organised. For our purposes today, we're going to focus on its OCR function. When you're inside Google Keep, look towards the top and click on the Take a Note field. Here you can start organising your information. It's always a good idea to give your note a title, so feel free to type one in the field provided. This will help you identify and retrieve the note more easily later on. Now we'll need to add an image to the note, as this is where we'll be using the OCR capability. Click on the Add Image icon, which resembles a small photo icon. From here you can upload an image directly from your computer. It's important to select an image that contains the text you wish to capture. Once selected, the photo will appear within your note, ready for the next step. With the image uploaded, click on the Close button to return to the main note view. Now we proceed to the magic part of extracting the text from your image. Click on the More icon, usually represented by 3 vertical dots in the upper corner of the image or note. This opens a menu with several options. Look for Grab Image Text and select it. This feature will automatically extract the text from the image you've uploaded. Once this process is complete, you'll see the text neatly converted and placed into your note. Finally, once you have verified that the image text has been successfully extracted, you can close the note knowing that all your information is now accessible and digitized. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to harness the power of OCR through Google Keep. This tool can prove invaluable in organizing your digital life, capturing information with ease, and ensuring that your important text data is just a click away. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.